You run laps to learn discipline while being disciplined. When punishment must be used, it should always be combined with an opportunity. When punishment, my computer, I'm trying to make it up as I go because the computer lost its mind. Coaching is about practice. Oh, I gotta switch over. Wait. What side was I on? This is gonna be a nightmare to get together. This is take 3, scene 1. So why is coaching? Whoa. It's freaking out again. My touchscreen is going, Dave, like yours. LeBron James' various coaches can drive the lane better than he can. Dang it. Internal and external forces beat us down, but you need to replace the right. Okay. Dang it. For what you should have been able to have done Instead of beating yourself up for what you should have been able to do or should have done, encourage your team. Okay, that. The thing I'm reading is the thing I need to actually deal with. I'm getting frustrated with myself. Encourage the teenager in your life to think of themselves as what a friend. All right, you guys ready? This is it. This is the one. Yeah, let's restart. Now it makes you an ignorant bigot.
I accidentally pushed stop.
That were victims his whole life told me that there were things that were. Go to scene 1.
My turn. But they're fun to look at. They turned off.
That's it.
I think it timed out. Most of them can be quite thought-provoking, though. There's pretty much every Bob. Okay. Let's do it again. Oh yeah, baby. Am I in the right spot?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Next one is do a Bob. Okay. I got this. Bob Ross. I can paint. Anyone can paint. Okay. Is do a photo shoot, which is something that. Okay, I don't know about this one. This one is a little. I
like it.
Okay. This one's kind of lame, but it's whatever, I guess.
I like it.
Okay. Entirely a puzzle game. Okay, I skipped the line. Okay, I got this. Whew. Yeah, baby.